This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Air filter element renewal. Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release lever twice. Fully raise the bonnet. The air filter is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Undo the 3 retaining screws. Lift the filter cover slightly, then remove the old filter element. If necessary, unclip the wiring harness from the cover. Lift the cover and remove any dirt or debris. A vacuum cleaner is ideal for this. Insert the new element into the filter housing, ensuring the rubber seal is uppermost. Lower the cover, tighten the retaining screw securely, and clip the wiring loom back into place. Firmly close the bonnet.